In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn in your projects using Google Drive. You can navigate to Drive by clicking on your Apps button when you're logged into Chrome, or by typing in drive.google.com. Before we get started, I want you to go ahead and change your view. I don't really care for the tile view. I like the list view. So if you come up and click this button, it'll change it to the list. The next thing we are going to do is we're going to make a new folder just for graphic design. So everything that you turn in will be stored inside this new folder. It's a good idea to have a folder just for this class, simply because of file organization and being organized. But we're also going to set up the share settings just for this folder. If you do not change the share settings or your privacy settings, it will remain a private link that only you can see. You're going to right click on the folder. You're going to go to share. What you are not going to do is you're not going to type in my email address, because then your project will come to me in an email. I do not want to have to manage 200 turn-ins through my email. It will drive me crazy. So if you email me a project, I will not accept it. What you need to do is you need to get a shareable link. Right now it's private, so we need to enable the link setting. So show the link and turn link on. Turn link sharing on. So we're going to turn link sharing on, and now it'll say anyone with a link can view. That's exactly what we want. So we're going to hit done. Now anything we put inside this folder will adopt the same share settings. If you put your projects outside of this folder and you do not change the share settings, I will not see it. So if I come down and I go get link and I copy this link to this Wildemar Elementary folder, see how there's no little share man in it? I will not be able to view the link. So let me show you exactly what I mean. So I'm going to copy this link, Control C, which copies, and then Control V will paste it. And boom, I need permission, I can't view it. I can't grade your project if I can't view it. I can't grade your project if I can't view it. If I can't view it. If I can't view it. If I can't view it.
Back here live at the Waterfront Village with my friend the zombie, Jonathan. You're looking good. Jonathan just got an awesome face paint job. What do you think?
I like turtles.
All right, you're great zombie. And good times here at the...
And boom, I need permission, I can't view it. I can't grade your project if I can't view it. So please make sure you send me a shareable link. Alright, so let's go ahead and add our files. So I'm going to change my share settings. So I've already got my folder set up, ready to turn in. I've got my period number, my last name, my first name, and the project name. And I've got my Illustrator file set up, and I've got my JPEG file set up and named correctly as well. Again, you will lose points if you do not name your files correctly. So since everything's ready to go, I can drag it directly, let's say, directly out of my Documents folder and into my drives. You just drag and Dropbox files, instantly upload them to graphic design. That's exactly what we want. So now we see we have a little man here. He's ready. So if we open up our folder, we get this link up here. 99% of the time, you're going to send me a link to a single file. If I get this link, there's no way I can view the rest of your folder. So, it is very important that you actually right-click on the actual project folder itself. Otherwise, I will not be able to view your project. Okay, now that we got a shareable link, it's probably a good idea to test it.
I like turtles.
So I'm going to Control-C to copy it. You can always test your shareable link in another browser. So instead of logging out of Chrome and testing it, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open up Firefox, or dare I even say Internet Explorer, to see if my link works. So I'm going to go to Firefox, paste it in. I'm not logged into Chrome on this Firefox, and boom. I'm going to come to my list view. I've got a JPG file, Illustrator file. I'm good to go, ready to turn in. So I'm going to turn this into the proper location, which would be the pen tool exercise. And I'd come into the form, fill out my period, last name, first name, and link to the folder. And you will, of course, hit submit. The very last thing I would like to do is I would like to show you how to back up your file. I understand that sometimes maybe your document folder doesn't always work, or actually most of the time it's a user error. You're not saving it to the correct location. You're not paying attention.
I like turtles.
So please pay attention. Save it to your documents folder, but also use Google Drive to back it up. So if you've been setting up a project folder, at the end of your class period each day, go to your Illustrator file and just drag and drop it, upload it. That way, if you come back the next day and your file is gone, all you have to do is, if you're in the list view again, you can see the last time you modified it. So this one is later, 9:04 p.m. versus 8:40. So I know this is my old one. You might as well delete it. And you can right click and download your Illustrator file, and you can continue working. The end.